Welcome back. Today we're taking a stroll through one of Bangkok's most iconic green spaces, Lumphini Park. From scenic lakes with paddle boats to giant monitor lizards soaking up the sun, this park has a little bit of everything. So grab your walking shoes and let's go explore. To be honest with you, Shane, he's not very enthused to be here today. If you don't mind, could you just go down there real quick and let him gnaw on you a little bit? That was rather uneventful.
Yeah, you really thought they were going to be taking down the rich or small, right?
I kept rooting like you were right there. I thought you were in range, but he's just lazy.
Wednesday, they roll them out for the tourists. On a Tuesday, only a couple of them are on the clock.
Of course. Well, most people don't realize, but lizards are mainly represented by unions, so not a lot of independent contractor lizards out there. Oh, another guy right there. We can get you eaten by a lizard, arrested by park security, just something.
Or, I don't know, been completely incapacitated on the street for 2.5 hours. I'm expecting a 2-hour
any of those
to drop on your channel.
Any day now, Shane, any day. 3-part series, of course. That one's not starving, right? He's eating pretty well. Idiots running all over the place around here. All right, look there. See, I found the biggest one. There's one over here to the right. It's
Yeah.
way bigger than the rest of them, Shane.
Now that might be able to take me.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.